got this mysterious toy.
But I don't think it's really cool. I think it's really boring.
I don't think so. Today, I'm going to show you how cool this girl toy is.
Well then, let's open it.
It says, push here to open. You can't really... Oh! Oh, what is this?
I think...
You have to insert the straw halfway into the tab on the bottom of the balloon. So this is a balloon.
Ooh.
Okay, so I guess we had enough. And now it says we have to rip off the protective.
Oh my gosh!
It's a confetti. Now let's continue opening this.
I think.
Oh my god! What is this? Oh, it's so cute! It's a black cat! Ta-da! This is very cute. Now let's open it up. Very hard to open.
Hey, here.
Here. And so this is what is inside.
And where's the doll?
It's a very cute doll with a black cat mask. And this is one of the dolls, but first, I think the clothes are in these spherical bags.
That's why.
You open one, I open one. Okay, so let's...
Here.
Oh, shoes.
Oh.
They're like shoes.
What's this? Oh, dress? Okay.
Oh, look, it's a very cute little black dress.
Why do they need to wear clothes? Why are I see some videos? There are girls helping them to clean their hair and body.
They want to keep the doll's hair clean so it doesn't have germs inside.
Oh.
Now we are going to help the doll wear its dress. There, finally got it on. Wow, nice purple and black hair.
And put the boots on.
Ta-da! And this is what it looks like, the doll. Look at its furry cat hat. And its very cute little dress. And these very cute sad cat socks and purple and black shoes. And this is the little bag that we just opened. So I think you can put it inside.
Oh, yeah.
The bag matches the cat dress.
Hey, Sarah, where did you buy this new toy?
Oh, I bought it at Toys R Us.
Okay, then I'm going to buy a new cool toy to share with you next time. Thank you for watching this unboxing my toy video. Bye!